Hello everyone, welcome to Unlock Apple, and in today's video we're going to unbox a very brand new Nintendo Switch with Nintendo LABO Toy-Con 3 with vehicle kit as well. We're going to unbox, we're gonna give a review, and this is going to be giveaway for my subscriber. So let's watch what we have inside this, and then the next step I will tell you what we're going to do for you to get this Nintendo Switch to your home. So first thing, we're going to open the box. Okay, once we cut the box, the next step is what is inside. Now we'll see, we'll take out everything one by one, and then things are happening. So let's take out this. It is coming out from the side. This is the Nintendo Switch. Once we remove cover, inside we get this white box. Let's remove this white box and see inside what we have. Okay, now everything is inside. As you can see on your camera, on your screen, everything is inside. How? We'll take out one by one. Okay, there you go. Okay, now first, this is your Nintendo Switch. Okay, and this is the LABO box we have. So let's open first the Nintendo. Okay, this is the giveaway I am unboxing for you. This is how it looks, and once you open fully, this is everything what you need. Inside is your controller 1, controller 2. Once you take out, you can see how it looks. It's quite slim, as you can see in my hands. Okay, and then buttons here. Okay, now the next thing, we'll take out the blue one. The same thing we have here. It quite nice color, if you can see how it looks. Okay, we'll keep on the side, and then the middle screen we have that you can connect with these controllers. You can play, and okay, it's quite heavy. It has a charging point here. All right, speakers, volume control button, we'll keep it here. And now the next thing we're going to do is to open the rest box, what we have inside. So more inside the box, we are having to make this controller as a one, to connect both sides. From here, connecting somehow. Okay, what more we have inside the box is the connector that we're using to connect with TV is here. Nintendo Switch, and here we should have a port. Once you open this, from here you're connecting with USB and HDMI. and another HDMI there, small one, mini. Okay, what more we have inside is the charging cables, guarantee card, HDMI, and the charger. Okay, this is the one. Now we're going to open the second box. The one comes extra. All right, so what you have to do to get this Nintendo Switch to your home is, if you are not a subscriber, make sure you subscribe my channel. If you are old subscriber, make sure the thing you do next is to give the best comment for me to make me to send you this Nintendo Switch. Let me open this. We're going to push it down and up, and rest inside you have all material, all instructions to make the Nintendo LABO. Everything is here. This is how they give this thing, and this is the game what you can play on your Nintendo. Okay, few accessories to make with this cardboard however you like. This is full of cartons. There's many things you can make with these cartons, cars, a lot of cartons inside. So don't forget to like, share, comment. Give me the best comment to make me to send this to your address, and don't forget to follow Unlock Apple. Thank you for watching, and I'm waiting for the best comment to send you this Nintendo Switch on your door. Thank you.